Hello. So today let's explore some different types of cubes. So I have here some 2x2s, and this is a magnetic 2x2, and all the magnets in this attract each other, which facilitate easy movement. And here I have a key cube on which I have carbon fiber stickers, which make it more aesthetic and appealing. This is an original Rubik's 2x2. And this is also a 2x2. It's a keychain, and unlike the classic 2x2, this is a flag cube. Now I'll be showing my 3x3s. This is a dice cube, and the one way in which it is different from a normal 3x3 is that the centers are not fixed. Like, it is fixed on which plane it is. However, its position is not fixed. It's not symmetrical. This is a classic 3x3. It's a Moyu cube. This is a 3x3 keychain, which moves extremely well for its size. The keychain here can also be removed. And now it can be treated as a normal cube. Next I have a 4x4. I think this is Moyu. This is the 5x5. And the 6x6 and the 7x7. This is the 6x6 and the 7x7. This is a 2x2 mirror cube, and this is the 3x3 mirror cube. When I solve the 3x3 mirror cube, right now it's just shuffled, it will acquire a cube just like this one. It will acquire the shape of a cube. This is the inequilateral cube. Unlike the 3x3, all the 9 pieces on one surface are of the same dimensions. However, in the mirror cube, each piece is of different dimensions. Also, the colorful colors on each surface make it more appealing. This is an axis cube, and this is somewhat solved. So to give you an idea of how it will look when it's solved, it will look something like this on all surfaces. This is also a very challenging puzzle. This is the classic Pyraminx. It's Moyu, and the turning is extremely smooth. This is the megamorphix, and the puzzle moves very smoothly. Some say that it is not much more intriguing than the normal 3x3, but others consider this a very challenging puzzle. This is the 2x2 megamorphix, or the Kilominx. The turning of this cube is pretty smooth as well. This is the Rex cube, and unlike the normal classic cubes, this cube moves along the diagonals. This is the megamorphix, and it's a shapeshifter. This is the 3x3 twisty puzzle, and I consider this one of my favorite cubes. This is a Skewb. This is a gear cube. not very easy to turn because of the gears, but it's definitely a good puzzle. I also have here two cuboids, you can say. This is a LAN floppy cube, which is a 3x3x1. This is a 2x2x3. The movement of this is pretty different. These are just some cubes that I have shown you, but there are many more available in the market, like the ghost cube and the Siamese cubes, which are very challenging as well. In my next video, I'll be talking about some more mathematical applications of the Rubik's Cube. See you then.